Good afternoon friends, myself Aditya Daptardar, and today we will learn about how to use the Apache Tomcat server to run the Java servlet programs. For that you have to compulsorily have the Apache Tomcat server installed in your computer. The first step is that only to install it in your computer. Now I will just install it for your sake. Apache Tomcat. This is the setup for Apache Tomcat server. Now I will just install the software into my computer. It will hardly take 2 minutes to get installed. So this is how it got installed into my computer. Now after the successful installation of this Apache Tomcat, the symbol appears at the right side of your status bar here. After right clicking on it, you can start or stop the Apache service. By default it has got started. Now I will just stop that service because we have to get into some formalities before starting that service. Now go into the directory where it has got installed, program files, Apache Software Foundation. This is the directory. Now in this directory, these are the components of the Tomcat 7.0, in which web app is a folder. Get into that folder, create a new folder and rename it as any name you can give, but for now I will give it as app. Get into app, create another new folder and rename it as web-inf. Everything should be there in capital. Now get into that folder and create another new folder and rename it as classes. Okay, so minimize this window, get into the Apache folder, program files, Apache Software Foundation, get into web apps, examples, root web-inf, copy this file web.xml and paste it into our minimized folder web-inf. Paste it here. Now close this window. I will just repeat the procedure which I have done now. Go into Tomcat, web apps, create new folder, rename it as app, get into the folder, create another folder, rename it as web-inf. Everything should be there in capital. Again get into it, create another new folder, rename it as classes. Now copy the web.xml file from Apache Tomcat examples and paste it here. Now just minimize this window. This is the experiment 15th of our AGP lab manual. I will just copy this whole code and save this file as exp15.java into the folder which we have created for storing the classes, that is program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 7, web app, web-inf, classes. We have to save this source file here. Saved. Now just close that window. Now this is the HTML file. I will just copy this and paste it into the app here, our folder. Now we have to compile this Java file to get the class file. For that we have to use command prompt, but before it we have to set the environment variables. It can be done by two ways, by using the computer's properties and going into the environment variable, but the simplest way is to use the batch file. It can be done by just open the notepad, write set path is equal to, and paste here the JDK beans path, Java program files, Java JDK bin. Copy this path and paste it front of the set path. Right, this is the first environment variable. Now second environment variable is class path. There should not be any gap between class and path. Now here we have to copy the JDK's path, not JDK bin's path but JDK's path. So we have to go back, copy this path and paste it front of the class path. Now give semicolon and we have to use another path which is of Tomcat. So get into the Apache Software Foundation Tomcat, in it library, copy and paste it front of the semicolon library. Now write servlet -api.jar and here also JDK 1.7.17 and \lib, that is library. Now save this file with .bat as its extension. I'll just name it as load.bat and paste it into app folder. Save it into app folder. Okay, now we have to compile the Java file which we have created here. So firstly we will just double click on this batch file to get the class path. So class path and path have been saved. Now just open command prompt, cmd, and get into the directory where that Java file exists. So C program files, Apache Tomcat web apps. Here you have to give load.bat. cd app now .bat. So this you can see here path and class path have been set. Now get into the folder webinf, then classes, Now compile the class file, sorry, Java file to get the class file. This is how we have got the class file. We can check here, classes, we have got the experiment 15th class file. Now we have to map this servlet into this web.xml file. So just edit it, and after the end of description tag and before the end of web application tag, copy this mapping code that is here. Copy this whole code and paste it into that between the two tags and save it. Now open any browser. Before that we have to set the Apache service to start the service started. Now write the http localhost 8080. This is the home page for Apache Tomcat. So the Apache Tomcat server has been successfully installed in your computer. Now we have to give the addresses our newly created folder, that is app, and then exp15.html. so the HTML file gets opened. Now here enter the inputs, password as password, login. See, this is how the successful execution of servlet takes place. Thank you for watching video and hit the likes.